Sarah, what are you doing? Sorry, I just sneezed. You're supposed to cover your mouth with your hands, like this. But then bacteria appear on my hands. Yes, but you need to wash your hands with soap. Otherwise, bacteria will be on the sofa, on the table, and on your clothes. Okay, I got it. I will close my mouth.